Everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you a tutorial video regarding how you can create a ChatGPT account. And yes, before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share this video with other peoples also. So yeah, you will just go to your phone browser and then you will just search ChatGPT. Even if you just type in, and you will just get this recommendations from your browser. Just tap on this ChatGPT OpenAI, tap on it, and then you can have an option called login and sign up. So we're creating a new one, so we'll just tap on this sign up option, and you can, if you add your email address and tap on continue, and then you will add your password of your email address, and then you will tap on continue option, and then you will just get signed up. And then, or you can just give in below continue with Google. It's really easy. Just tap on this continue with Google option and choose the email that you want to use, and now signed in your ChatGPT. You just got signed in with your ChatGPT account. So yeah, this is how you can create a ChatGPT account. So I just hope this video has helped you, and please do make sure to leave comments below so we can make other videos according to your need. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.